In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Excel 90 degrees. This is a great skill to have in your back pocket for when you're working on reports, creating charts, or just looking to make your spreadsheet data more visually appealing and easier to read. First things first, you'll need to access Excel. For this tutorial, we're going to use the Microsoft 365 online version, which is a fantastic free resource that allows you to use Excel right in your web browser, no installation required. Simply head to the free Microsoft 365 online page. You'll see a variety of Microsoft Office applications available for use. Today we're focusing on Excel, but remember this resource is here for you whenever you might need it. Once you're on the page, the next step is to sign in. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type the email associated with your Microsoft account. Make sure it's the one you have access to and click Next. Now, if you haven't already prepared a file you want to work with, let's not worry. I have a perfect example file we'll use for this demonstration. On the OneDrive landing page, there's an example file named Excel Rotation Example or something similar. Click on this file to open it up in your Excel online workspace. The real magic starts now. First, you need to highlight the cell or range of cells with the text you want to rotate. It's important to select exactly what you need before making any changes. With your text highlighted, find your way to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. This tab contains most of the formatting tools you'll need for basic and intermediate tasks in Excel, including text rotation. In the Home tab, look for the Orientation button. This button might show an icon of text at an angle or similar. It changes based on the version or skin of Excel you're using. Clicking on Orientation will bring up a small menu with several options. Here you'll see Rotate Text Up, Rotate Text Down, Vertical Text, and a few others. Each of these serves a different purpose depending on how you want to display your text. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're focusing on rotating our text 90 degrees upwards, so go ahead and click on Rotate Text Up. Instantaneously, the text in the cells you've selected will pivot 90 degrees clockwise, making it read from bottom to top. This is particularly useful when you're working with narrow columns but need to include longer headers or titles. And just like that, you've successfully rotated text in Excel 90 degrees. But before we wrap up, let's go over a couple of handy tips. First, remember that rotating text can sometimes make cell borders and adjacent content alignment look a bit off. You might need to adjust cell sizes or the alignment of surrounding text to keep everything looking sharp. Secondly, although we've focused on rotating text 90 degrees upwards, don't forget about the other orientation options available to you. Experimenting with rotate text down or vertical text might provide you with a better layout for certain projects or presentations. In conclusion, rotating text in Excel is a straightforward task that can significantly improve the readability and aesthetic appeal of your spreadsheets. Whether you're organizing data, designing a chart, or just trying to make the most out of narrow columns, knowing how to manipulate text orientation is an invaluable skill. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful. Practice these steps at your own pace and see how rotating text can change your Excel experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your digital tools. Happy spreadsheeting, and see you in the next video.